HarmonyOS is a good replacement of Windows because Huawei is going to launch new operating system HarmonyOS for PC. In this video I will tell you when it is going to launch and what are the features, how it is working on the system. Everything is going to be covered in this video. So basically HarmonyOS is Huawei's new operating system for laptop and desktop. First it is launching in China on May 19, 2025. After that it will be available for all over the world. So basically they have designed to replace the Windows on Huawei computers. This is built for speed, security, AI features and seamless integration with the other Huawei devices. I hope you have noticed this is a combination of Windows and macOS, and Huawei also claiming like it is 32% faster than Windows. Okay, so let's see what are the key features they are giving in it. First is modern familiar interface. Looks similar to Windows like bottom taskbar, desktop icon, widgets and quick settings. Set the live wallpapers, changing the icons, widgets for personal touch. All things is completely customizable. Other thing is a powerful AI assistant like Windows Copilot. Whenever you press Windows plus C key, Windows Copilot pop up from the right side. Same like this China AI is also popping from the right side, and what it can do, it can summarize your meetings, extracting and translating text from images in over 20 plus languages, generating templates, presentations, reports. You can use that presentation in your office work. And the good feature of this AI assistant like ChatGPT, you can talk real time and text communication with this AI assistant. So this is a powerful tool. Other feature related to hardware, like they are making the completely Huawei ecosystem. So that means connect easily with Huawei phones, tablets and other devices. Features like app hands-off, shared clipboard, drag and drop between devices and screen mirroring, sharing keyboard and mouse across the devices, even move the cursor with your eyes. That's a great feature they have integrated in it. How they are getting the faster performance? Huawei claims that it is faster and smoother than Windows with 32% better multi-window performance. Other thing is like they are using Arc engine for smoother graphics and faster multitasking. Next is strong security and privacy, built on the Star Shield architecture and reducing vulnerability by 50%. That we will know in future. Whenever it is in market, people will use it and will let you know really it is reducing the vulnerability by 50%. Best thing is like system level encryption. Even if someone removes your hard drive, your data stays safe unless the screen is unlocked. Like your system is off, anyone remove your hard drive, no one can access your data. Your data is safe because it is encrypted. Another thing, super privacy mode. Instantly turn off camera, mic, location on the one tap. Great thing. Okay, so let's see how it is looking on the real devices. It is look like completely Windows 11. If you click on start button, you will see here Windows start menu. Like in Windows Action Center, you can open from the right side, also giving the touch of Android phone and Chrome OS. That's why it is looking very beautiful. You can set here dynamic wallpapers on your home page, and you can see the taskbar which is look like Windows 11 but the icons from the macOS. You can also share files like we were doing on Windows 11. So this is a HarmonyOS AI assistant. You can just type here, or you can also use your audio voice to ask any question. It will give you answer as it is showing. Best thing is you can handle it from your phone, and again you switch to your desktop, handle everything from your desktop again. And you can see this AI assistant also creating presentation based on your data. You can do multitasking, open multiple apps. I hope you notice the macOS animation. Here's the recent apps open which is look like Windows 11. Maybe you have one question like it is going to be work on low-end system and not. So yes, you can run it on very low-end system also, so no problem at all. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this operating system. Is it going to be good replacement of Windows or not?